Hi, Ronwin here with Guarantee RV. We're here to show you the Cyclone 3713. Let's go take a look. This is a great toy hauler here. We've got a 13-foot garage and it has a bath and washer dryer hookups in the back, a beautiful kitchen with a nice buffet table to sit at, and the king bed is a tilting bed, so that's neat. You can tilt up your bed and watch your TV and relax in comfort, and a fabulous bathroom that you can pass through, and it has a tub. That's amazing. Thanks for checking out the Cyclone with me. If you have any questions about this unit or any other of our inventory, give me a call at 541-954-2989.